To adjust the pressure of the presser foot, you have a dial over here on the side. Normal is 46. Now this is a mechanical adjustment, so this doesn't change as you just change to a different fabric or to a different stitch. And if you change it, you need to change it back. Turning off the machine and turning it back on will also not reset this. So keep in mind where it was the last time you're using it. 46 is normal. You tend to increase it when you're working with heavier fabrics and also decrease it for stretchier fabrics. And that's probably the most common one. If you're sewing let's do a really stretchy fabric, and let's use a stretch stitch. Like stitch 11 is great for stretch sewing. And then as we sew, what's going to happen is if it is a normal setting, when you're sewing along, the fabric's almost going to come out like it's going to be stretched out, kind of coming out wavy out the back side. See how that's kind of starting to angle up? You can tell that the foot's even pushing this top layer, and because it's pressing down so firmly. So as we go to a smaller number, and I usually just go down to 30 to start, but you can go somewhere in that 20 range. There's not really like a specific number until you find that it really helps guide it for you without you having to work too much. But notice too, now the foot's not pushing the fabric so much. It's almost like it's gentle and skimming across the top fabric instead of pushing it as it goes. Also in the back now it's coming out a little bit less wavy, more flat looking, and so then that way you'll have a better result in your fabric. So like fleeces, sweatshirt fabric, t-shirt fabric, lingerie fabric, those are all things that you'd probably want to reduce it down. I have been down in the low 20s to even teen numbers for one thing I was doing. It was so nice. It was very delicate, but I just felt like the foot just needed to glide across the fabric, and it made it so much easier. I thought I was actually going to be in trouble and having wavy results everywhere. But you never know when you're going to need this. You probably are only going to use it maybe 5% of your sewing time or even less. But believe me, when you need it, you know exactly where to come to. Now, after we've reduced it, let's go ahead and roll it back all the way to 46 or in that near vicinity, and you'll definitely be right where you left it.